Modern electronics demand simplicity. One cable for everything. Power, data, video. That's where USB Type-C alternate mode comes in. It allows a single USB-C connector to carry non-USB protocols like DisplayPort, HDMI, or Thunderbolt, delivering power, high-speed data, and 4K video all through one reversible plug. Here's how it works. When a USB-C cable is connected, the configuration channel detects orientation, identifies the device type, and negotiates support for DisplayPort alternate mode. Once confirmed, the connector dynamically reassigns its high-speed lanes to carry DisplayPort signals, while power delivery and USB 2.0 data remain active. But not all cables are equal. Only full-featured USB-C cables with micro-coax or twin-ax conductors can reliably handle power, USB 3.x, and alt mode video together. DisplayPort Alt Mode gives engineers a compact, efficient way to connect high-resolution displays, transfer data, and power devices simultaneously. It reduces wiring, simplifies testing, and supports demanding standards, from 4K and 8K video to dual display setups. At Midas Electronics, we help engineers and OEMs master USB-C and DisplayPort Alt Mode, from design consultation and custom cable solutions to compliance testing and training. USB-C isn't just a connector, it's a universal link between performance and simplicity, and Midas Electronics is here to help you make it work.